This is second part of our Tarangan home automation system. In this part, we will see how to implement hardware. Take 4 wires of length 10 cm. Now we will solder that wires to our distance sensor. We are soldering wires because connectors cause loose contact. This is how our sensor will look like after soldering. Now we will put heat shrink tube in wires. Our sensor will look like this after putting heat shrink tube. Now we will heat these heat shrink tube, hence they will contract. Now we want to make our sensor water resistant because because of because of evaporation water droplets get collected under the cap of our water tank. Hence we want to make our sensor water resistant. Now we will put our ultrasonic sensor in plastic bag. Now we will use glue gun to close the open part of plastic bag. This is how our sensor will look like after making it water resistant. Now we will put a single strand wire, one strand for attaching our sensor to cap of water tank. Now our sensor is ready. Now we will attach this sensor to water tank cap. This is cap of our water tank. We will attach sensor here. Now we will make 4 holes using handrail for attaching our distance sensor. We are making sure that if any pores come on the external wire, then that should not come on our sensor. Hence, we are making this arrangement. Now we will make holes for wires. Use 1 mm drill. And make that hole bigger using any tool you have. I am using screwdriver, and to make it more bigger I am using a forceps tong. This is how our sensor will look like after mounting it on cap of water tank. Now we will put glue using glue gun near holes made for the wires. We are doing this because if rain comes, water may enter in our sensor. These are the joints of wires. And this wire goes to the station point. This is station point. Make station point as small as possible. This is server. To see how to upload a program on ESP01, click on the link given in the description or click on the eye icon in top of this video. I am using my old mobile charger for 5 volt supply. This is station point. I am giving 5 volt supply using AC mains. I used my old mobile charger. Now I am attaching server. Now server is started and waiting for the data. Now we got data from station point. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit the blog. Its link is given in the description.